So I'm feeling very blessed and thankful today. It was an accident. I was in a one-car accident yesterday. It's been snowing pretty heavy, and I was on my way to a bowling tournament that I was super excited about. And I'm on the interstate. I just got on the interstate from the house, and I'm behind a semi, and I attempt to pass it. And as I'm getting ready to pass it, I don't know if I just hit a slick spot, but all I know then was like the car starting to lose control, and it's either concrete wall on my left or semi on my right, and it was very scary. So I know when you start to slide, when it's snowing, that you should kind of like go with the flow of the slide, because if you try to quickly counteract it, it's disastrous. And so I was like, okay, I can't really do that because there's a semi and a concrete wall. And so I just took my foot off the gas, kind of took my hands off the wheel, I guess, as if thinking like, Jesus, take the wheel. But my hands were so close, like if I needed to, do something, and the car swerved and it was going towards the semi, and I was like, is this it? I'm going to hit the semi? And then the car swerved and I went towards the concrete wall. And I remember hitting it, and then I slid a few, I guess, feet, I don't know. And I remember just shaking. So I opened the driver door. Like, thankfully the door's not damaged, because I felt like I hit the wall pretty hard. And I wasn't going that fast. I was going like maybe 40, 45 miles per hour. But I hit the wall, or I had hit the wall, so I opened the car door. And I was like, okay, that's good. Nothing's like smashed in. The car door's not damaged. I put one foot out into the snow, which is like probably a foot and a half. Probably because it's been piled up from the plowing. And I look at the tires, I'm like, wheels are good. So I closed the door, my hands are just shaking, and I thought, well, big girl panties, let's keep it moving. I'm okay. So I get back on the interstate, and I realize that my mirror, my driver's side mirror, is like bent down. I'm like, oh no, I must have damaged my mirror. So I roll down the window, and nope, I just popped it back out. Like, okay. So I keep on driving to the bowling tournament. At that point, I'm getting closer to the city, closer to like the interstate that circles the city. So the roads, or the interstate was, the roads were a lot clearer. And I made it on time to the tournament. So once I got to the bowling alley, I was like, double shot fireball, please. Like, I needed to calm down. But I checked the car when I left the bowling alley. Checked the mirror. I figured the only thing that was damaged was the mirror, because I checked my tire pressure when I got back onto the interstate, and like tire pressure was good. So I was like, okay, I guess the tires or the wheels weren't damaged, so maybe the only damage was the mirror. And I looked, and it didn't seem like it was damaged. And so when I came home, of course, I give my husband a big hug, and then I just like start bawling. Like, it really kind of hit, like I shouldn't be here right now. Like, this day could have been totally different for everyone in my family. But so we check the car in the garage, and there's no damage. So feeling good for your loved ones and your friends. Give them lots of hugs and kisses. Tell them you love them. And yes. Never let your loved ones know that you don't love them. So I started doing these videos because my brother and my husband said I should. So shout out to my brother. Even though you're my brother, and that's supposed to, you get on my nerves, but you're a pretty awesome brother, and my husband's pretty awesome. He's amazing. So to my family and my friends, I love you guys.